Hi guys, Liz here. How are you? How's your day going? Well, it is now 12:35 in the afternoon and I'm like, poof, where did my morning go? Where did it go? So I'm running a little behind here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go run and get my car keys. We are going to head to Hobby Lobby. I'm going to pick out some florals and and maybe a pot, maybe a lamp if I get lucky. And then we're going to ski-daddle back here to the house, and we are going to create, are you ready? A blooming lamp. Have you guys ever seen a blooming lamp? I didn't think so. But basically back in my blogging days, I had a buddy named Kara. I think the name of her blog was Element Interiors. I'll have to go double check, but she was amazing, out of Texas, and she came up with the blooming lamp. And when I saw it, I'm like, that's just ingenious. It's amazing, and gorgeous, so gorge. So I'm gonna run over there. I'm gonna see what I can find. I will ski-daddle back to this house, and we're gonna get creating. But this is something that you can use in your everyday decor, and you can change it with the seasons. So if it's spring, you can make a spring blooming lamp. If it's summer, make it a summer blooming lamp, fall blooming lamp, winter blooming lamp. It's the staple piece of all staple pieces, people. So we got to get creating. Let's go. I can't stand it. My wheels are turning. And I got to do something about it. We got to use I got the poof up, guys. My little antenna's ready. It's ready, and it's getting all these little messages like, must get this kind of a floral, must get styrofoam, must get this, must get that. Let's go.
Just got some cool items from Hobby Lobby, and now I'm heading home to play. Can't wait.
Okay, guys, I just got home from Hobby Lobby, and let me show you what I got. I got these on sale for $13.99, and I got two of them. You'll see where I'm going with this in just a moment. I got 2 bags of American Moss, and I decided to go with the darker one. I don't know why. They had the lighter one, but I wanted to try the darker one. I've never used it before. Then I got a whole bag of florals for spring. Then I got 2 lamps on sale on clearance for that price. And I think they're cute. So let me share what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this container, and to this container, I have to take the sticker off. I'll do that and I'll be right back. Stickers off. So, right, here's my container. To that, I'm going to take my lamp. See it? And I'm going to place it in here. Like so. Cord goes out the back. It fits perfectly in there. I'll get a shot with my camera. Hold on. Fits snug as a bug in a rug. And then the cord just comes out the back. See? Easy Let's peasy. Turn this lamp on, shall we? Yay. Now I've got this American Moss, and I'm going to use this as my base in the container. To that, I will just start taking these, separating them, kind of like this, and then sticking them into the moss so that they kind of like cascade over and out. We'll see how this turns out. So I have this garland, and I am going to snip this in half. And one is going to go in each pot. I like to add different textures. So I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to just spread this around. just like that. Then I'm going to add this on top of that. This is just like the playing game. Now, see how many of these do I have? 1, 2, 3. I think I'll start out with 3. I always like to separate these and then give it a little cute so far. Now, hold on. So now I'm going in with these. Oh, I also added a yellow one. I just stuck it in and was playing with it. I'm like, instead of recording, I'll just go with it. But I stuck it in. It was just one of these. And what I did was I spread it apart like this and then started kind of pulling it around the front and the back. Easy peasy. Now I'm just going to go in with these and I'm just separating them. Just to add a little more texture here. So I am really loving this, and I'm just going around, turning it, placing these in where I think they need them. And oh, it's so cute. Anyway, I love this because this kind of reminds me of potting soil, and then this looks like the greenery, or like, not weeds, but you know what I mean. It gives it like a nice delicate look, and then this just adds the nice florals for spring. So check it out. Look how cute this is. My blooming lamp, I need to take the sticker off, but I'm going to do the other one, and then I'll go place them and do one last photo of them all decorated. And as you can see, at night when you've got the lights are dim and the slide is on, it lights up these florals and makes it look beautiful. So it's perfect for spring or any season. You just can change out the florals, and it's different, it's unique, and it's pretty. It's pretty. It is pretty. I love it. Love, love, love it. On to the next. Okay, I'm doing the next one, but I thought this would be cute too. When I get bored of that one, maybe I'll come back and do something different, but how pretty would this be, snipping, putting this in for Easter or for spring. Just another idea. I love that. I love it. But I already did one, and we're going to keep it uniform. So let's do this, shall we? Let's get this plugged in. Light on. I swear, you guys, it fits perfectly in this canister or bucket, whatever you want to call it. Container. And if I could do this again, I probably would have gotten 2 of these just to make it a little bit more full. And I'm not going to lie, you will make a mess. You will. But that's part of decorating. You got to just go with the flow. Now, let's take this. Let's put this around it. So if you guys get a container this big, make sure you get 2 bags of the American Moss. If you go with a smaller container or a smaller lamp, no problem. But I think 2 would have been better. Gotta rip these tags off. And actually, what I'm going to do differently this time is I'm going to go in with this one first, because that was kind of hard to get in there. So can you guys see what I'm doing? I'm just kind of pulling it around and separating it. Cute. Now let's go in with these. Separate these. Last one, where do I need it? Let's see. Maybe one over here. Now, let's go in with these. I kind of like sticking these more up near the lamp. Oops, I got a tag here. Let me separate these a little better. And this just kind of adds a really cute texture to it. One more left, one more. Unfortunately, I wish I had one more. Let's see. Done. How simple, how fast, how pretty. Okay guys, here are my blooming lamps, and now I'm just playing with different ideas on this table, but look how pretty this looks. And I hung this lemon wreath on this chalkboard, and now I'm just playing with different ideas. But it's not nighttime yet, but you can imagine how pretty this is gonna look when it is night. All those colors. Hey guys, I've added this little basket with the greenery in it and lambs here. And then I put the letter R next to the lamp, and now I'm trying to figure out what to do on this side. This is what I have. I've got a little cow there with some greenery in that little hole right there. I think it looks cute. And I've got a little basket, the letter R, and my other blooming lamp. I think it's super cute, loving it. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. I hope you enjoyed my blooming lamps, and I hope you'll give it a try. I think you will really, really like the look and feel in your home for spring. And remember, you can do this throughout the seasons. Just change out your florals. I mean, easy peasy. No glue gun involved. And if you really wanted to dress it up, you could add a pretty ribbon. You could add burlap instead of this stuff. You could add like burlap and fill in with styrofoam below. You know, you could go as crazy as you want or be as minimalistic as you want. So have fun, but it's pretty, it's inexpensive, and it's fun to make, so it checks all those boxes. So up next is my pantry redo, so be on the lookout for that. And I taped that on Sunday and forgot to post it. Got busy and didn't post it, so that will probably be tomorrow. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to check out my Amazon store in the description box below. I'm always updating it with new items. So just had to share. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Have a nice evening.